In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a Smartsheet form anonymous. If you want people to submit a form without revealing their identity or needing to sign in, Smartsheet gives you a simple way to adjust that experience. Like the key is to review the form settings carefully, make sure any identity tracking options are turned off, and then test the form the same way a respondent would see it. That way, you can be confident the form is truly anonymous before you share it. Start by opening the Smartsheet sheet that's connected to your form. This is important because forms in Smartsheet are attached to specific sheets, and any submissions from the form will flow directly into that sheet as new rows. Once you're inside the correct sheet, look for the Forms option and click it. This will show you the forms associated with that sheet. From there, open the specific form that you want to make anonymous. If your sheet has more than one form, take a moment to verify you're editing the right one before making any changes. This helps avoid updating the wrong form by mistake. Next, check the form settings. This is where you'll control how respondents access the form and whether their identity is captured. As you review the settings, look for any options that require users to log in before they can submit. If you see settings related to collecting the user's email address, recording their identity, or limiting access to people within an organization, turn those off if they're available. The goal here is to remove any requirement that ties the submission back to a specific person. Once those settings are updated, your next step is to share the form link publicly or send it directly to the people who need to respond. If the form is meant for a wider audience, make sure the sharing setup allows access without sign-in. If you're only sending it to a smaller group, you can still share the direct form link as long as the settings don't force authentication. Before considering everything finished, test the form yourself in a private browser window. This is one of the most important parts of the process because it lets you view the form as an outside user. Open an incognito or private browsing window, paste in the form link, and confirm that the form opens normally without asking you to sign in. If it loads and allows submission without authentication, then your anonymous form setup is working correctly. That's how to make a Smartsheet form anonymous and ready for respondents to use with confidence.